Hey, what's up BTT holder, Bittorrent holder? In this video I will talk about something very special for Bittorrent holder, which mean my brothers, I will talk about the price target of BTT coin, my brother. In upcoming time this is possible to BTT, my friend, will give you 0.1 USD dollar. Yes, my brother, it's possible in August, because my brother, I know to if they will take a 20% profit just in only, my friend, so they will give you 20%, they will give you, my friend, 0.1 USD dollar just in only in August month. But if they will give you, my friends, 20% profit, so this is possible, otherwise this is impossible now, my brother. So in last 3 days, my friend, you can see a 21.8% they will profit. So this is very brilliant and very good, my friend, for all holder. And just in only, if you can see, my brother, resistance lines to completely the coin is in the profit, because for a short time, my brother, you can see they will fail down, but again they will move upward now. So I am so happy to see this, and congratulations, my brother. In upcoming time there is a lot of chances so they will move upward, but just in only, my friend, if holders are holding. So why are you waiting, holder? Please remember, my brothers, to if you hold, so they will move upward, otherwise this is impossible to they will give you a profit, the price will be increasing, and definitely my prediction is going to be negative now if a holder are starting selling. Remember, it's not a financial video, I just advise you. Bittorrent as a Chinese cryptocurrency, and definitely, my friends, sometime they will trend on the Twitter and China, UK, USA. So therefore, my brother, BTT will completely broke all records and go in the moon now. I am so happy to see this, my brother, because I am also holder. And what's your opinion? Please tell us. My opinion is to please hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope at the end of this month they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching, Bittorrent holder. Please, if you are new my channel, kindly like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.